Hello boys and girls. This is going to be a math lesson. We're starting a new chapter on shapes. Now I've lined up some shapes I brought from school. You know that some shapes are flat, we call them 2D. Other shapes are thick, we call them 3D. I have a shape hiding in our handy dandy bag. Oh, what shape is hiding? Oh, what shape is hiding? Oh, what shape is hiding? Let me describe it to you. It seems to be flat. I'm counting 4 sharp corners and 4 long sides. Blow it into your hand if you think you know the name. If you guess square, kiss your brain. And we'll pull it out and check. We had a square hiding. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Boys and girls, let's name our shapes. First, we'll do our 2D. These are shapes that are pretty easy. I think you know them. We have square, circle, rectangle, triangle. This one's a little harder. 6 sides, 6 corners, hexagon. Now let's move to our 3D shapes. Help me to name them. Sphere, a long, like can shape, cylinder, a 3D cube, our cone, and a rectangular prism with the rectangular shape. Now, boys and girls, I want to teach you something new today about the shape that was hiding, the square. So I've got my whiteboard here. I'm going to draw our square. I'm going to draw it carefully to make all 4 sides about the same length. Now, there's another way we can name the corners of our square. And I brought our ladybug from school to help us. So the little ladybug's going to crawl over. She's going to point right to this corner. And there's a new name for a corner that I want you to know. We call the corner in a shape the vertex. Practice saying it with me. Vertex. How many vertices, when there's more than one, we call it a vertice, will the ladybug count? Let's see. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. The ladybug counted 4 of these corners. We call them a vertex. There's 4 of them. When there's more than one, vertices. Now, the other part of our square that's not the corner is a long straight line. Let's have the ladybug count these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boys and girls, you know this word, side. So our square has 4 straight equal sides and 4 corners or vertices. Today, kindergartners, I would like you to use some chalk or use some crayons or markers and practice drawing some squares, big squares, little squares, and then can you please label each vertex? Maybe you could circle the vertices. And then remember how we label, you can put the word vertex by each corner. And then you could put an arrow, and everywhere that there's a side, you can label it with the word side. This would be a good project for you to do, practicing our 2 new words, vertex, the corner, and side.